Hi guys, welcome to Only Math Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss exercise 6.5 of geometric progression. Okay, so what is given here? Find 10th and nth term of GP series. This is second sum guys of exercise 6.5. So first term, what is given? Given that T10. So we need to find that one, right? So given that GP series 5, 25, 125, so on, where T1 nothing but A that equal to 5 and T2 equal to 25 and T3 equal to 125. Okay, and what we need to find here? We need to find T10 term, T10 and Tn. Okay, and also R. So what is general term of GP? General term of GP formula is A comma AR, AR square, so on, AR power n minus 1. Okay, so first to find whether the given series comes under GP or not, and also we need to find 10th and nth term, we should know R value guys. Okay, if you know first value and common ratio, that is R, then we can find any term in the GP series. So to find R, so how to find R? What is formula? T2 by T1, T3 by T2, so on, Tn by Tn minus 1. So substitute the values. What is T2 here? 25. T1 is 5, that equal to 5. Therefore R value equal to 5. So after getting R value, we need to find, see, not only GP series, in any series, either AP or GP or HP, if we know first term and a common ratio, when we are talking about ratio, it comes under GP guys. If we are talking about difference, the difference between two terms, then it comes under HP or AP. So we are talking about common ratio here, so you need to identify the terms here. It comes under GP. Okay, so we need to find T10, right? T10 formula is A into R power, first term formula here. Tn equal to A into R power n minus 1. This is nth term. So T10 equal to A into R power 10 minus 1. So what T10? What is A value? Very first term, 5 dot. R value we got 5, 10 minus 1. That equal to 5 into 5 power 9. That equal to 5 power 10 guys. So this comes in a base as a power should be added. So T10 is 5 power 10. Similarly, find out nth term, Tn into A power n minus 1. So Tn value is T10 only, A value is 5, R value also 5, n minus 1. That equal to 5 dot. This can be simplified as 5 power n by 5 power 1. This is in the form of A power m by A power n guys. That equal to A power n minus n. Okay, from exponents and powers formula. So simplify here. What we get? 5 dot 5 power n by 5 power 1. This 5 power 1, 5 get cancelled. You get 5 power n guys. Therefore, Tn equal to 5 power n. This is the nth term for the given series. And this is 10th term for the given series. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. Please subscribe to my channel. For any doubts, you can comment me in the video session. Thank you. Thank you for watching.